How to replace a float switch.
So we got the new float switch here. It's technically called a condensate safety overflow switch. A Surrey, you can find these at Lowe's. I'm sure you can find them online also, like Amazon or something. I'll leave a link in the description. The way this one works is like, you can see that very well, but if I tilt this back, yeah, see that's the little float switch inside that the water, when the water fills up this switch, then like with buoyancy, then it triggers the system to shut off. So to start, this has an emergency switch which I turned off, so there's no power going to this wire at the moment. Yeah, so no power. So we're just going to replace the old one, the old float switch with this new one, and we're putting it so that the float switch, like the float part of it, is vertical. And then we're just going to hand tighten these. Alright, even though the power's off, I'm wearing gloves, we're dealing with electricity. This wire is a bit excessive, so we're going to cut this with our wire cutters. We'll leave like a little bit of extra length, like, yeah, say like here. Get our knife, and this is like, this wire is made of 2 wires basically, so we're gonna split that in half a little bit, not all the way down, just like here at the end. There, see, like so, and strip it a little bit. All right, feed the wire in on the inside. And all right, now so this is kind of hard to tell from the camera, but this is copper. They're both copper, but this is like copper colored wire, and this is like silver colored wire. This is just both copper wire, colored wire. Now one side has like kind of grooves on it, which is hard to see, but if you're like watching this, trying to fix this at your home, apartment, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. There's a smooth side and like a side with grooves. I'm not an electrician, but what I saw on the internet is that the smooth side is the hot side, and the side with grooves is the neutral side. So, and then on this, the copper colored wire is the hot wire, and the silver colored wire is the neutral. So we're gonna go hot with hot and neutral with neutral. All right, now it'd probably be fine just leave it like this, just for like extra care. We'd recommend using electric tape to like tape all this up and protect the copper, like just a little bit extra. So like nothing like water or anything that gets inside the nuts, because technically like water, it has the possibility to like flow down in this area into the pan. All right, just to demonstrate like this switch, I'm gonna see the thermostat is set to heat and 65, but it's currently 58 in this apartment. And that's the emergency switch. So as soon as I turn that on, the air handler is gonna kick on, and it's gonna start blowing heat. And I'm gonna like flip this upside down so that it'll simulate like it getting filled with water, and the switch should trigger on this, and then everything should shut off. So here we go. Ta-da! All good. Like and subscribe.